Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. We are doing Python basic program. We already completed 36 exercise. Now we are going to do the Python program of 37 exercise. We'll go for the class. Write a Python program to retrieve file property. Let's go how to retrieve the file property. Import os dot property path and input time and print file and comma. We need to take this instance and print access time comma time dot see time of os dot path dot get a time and we need to give that file. Okay, now we are going to do the same. So I'm copying the existing line and putting access time. I'm just giving modify time and the same the time dot c times os dot path dot get a time means it's access time. Now it's modify m time. Okay, so we are copying the same and we are changing modify to change time. So m to c. So now print size of os dot path dot get size and we need to go with file in that instance actually. Now we will run the program. Instead of get I put a permission of GA, that's why error. Now I am running the program. You can see the access timing and modification timing and change timing and the size. So this is the program how to get the property of the particular file. Next we are going to write the program to remove the first item from the specific list. So we are going to remove some list from the specific list. Let's see, color equal to bracket red, white, green, yellow. So these are the list and just I want to print it. Original color of color. So delete color of 0 and print after removing the color. So just we are giving the color and print. So original color is color, and after removing they remove the red, and you can see that. Okay, this is how to remove the particular list, particular letter from the list. Okay, now we can see, write a program to input the number if it's not generating the error message. Okay, now we will see how to write the program of that. While true, try a equal to int of input the number and break. If it's integer, it's break. Except value error, print this is not number, try again. This is the program, and we will run it. We'll see. So now we will run the program. I'm just entering the character. It's showing this is not number, try again. I'm just giving the number. Yeah, it's not showing any error. This is the program. And now we are going to see write the program to print Unicode character. So Unicode character, it's nothing but using the Unicode we need to find the string. Actually, see, str class equal to u single quotes u0050 u0079 u0074 u0068. Just I'm giving randomly. Okay, we will give the up to this, and we'll check whether how it's working. Print and print str and print. Let's see, we will run the program. Okay, this is the Unicode of PYTH, that is P is 50, 79, 74 and 68. So to write Python, just you need to give the Unicode for all the 006F and Unicode U006E. Yeah, so we have found out that using the Unicode we have converted into the character, So that is how we, if you know the Unicode, yeah, you can pass it, and through that you can able to convert that Unicode into the string. So I know what is the Unicode for Python, that's why I given here. So while running this program, you can find the word Python is as a output. So hopefully that today class everyone was understood what we are doing. Actually, this is normal basic Python program only, but it's very important to do the hands-on. I suggested everyone needs to do the hands-on on at least 5 or 10 minutes of every day. If you do the hands-on on that, it will be very good and useful for you to learn more syntax and functionalities in Python. So hopefully all of them was viewing the previous videos also. Let have a next session where we can come up with some of the basic program. We'll see, it will be the very useful for in future. And thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comments so that we will rectify your doubts, and you can learn more and more. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.